Hello, everyone. Welcome to Loomly. Thanks for joining us today for our Flash webinar on Twitter publishing. The goal of Flash webinars is to offer you a quick but in-depth presentation of a very specific Loomly feature. Shouldn't take longer than 15 minutes. Jennifer will be answering any questions you have in the Q&A section. Let's dive into it so we can show you how to make the most out of it. We built Loomly to give you an easy to use dashboard that lets you collaborate with your team around Twitter posts, access the data that you need, and understand the real-time impact of your post. Let's take a look at how you can post engaging content with Loomly. First, you'll need to decide how frequently you're going to publish content. There's no magic formula for when to tweet because what works for one brand won't work for another. To start, you could experiment with 5 tweets a day and see what level of engagement you get. It's also worth checking to see how often your competitors tweet. At Loomly, we recommend being consistent. It's no good posting 50 tweets one day and then disappearing for a week. Aim to publish a steady amount each day. Once you've identified your ideal posting cadence, you can take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots to set your preferred publishing schedule and save time when creating new posts in Post Builder. We suggest different types of post ideas to you, including trending topics from Twitter, RSS items from your own custom selection of content feeds, recurring broad ideas based on best practices and internet codes, event holidays and celebrations happening on specific dates. And we also offer you custom post ideas where you can create your own post ideas. You can also select post labels, which help you categorize your posts within Loomly. They also help you identify at a glance throughout Loomly which campaign or category they belong to. We also allow you to filter advanced analytics by labels. Here you'll define the content and media applied to all your selected channels, which you can fine-tune in the next step. You can add emojis with our emoji keyboard and also utilize hashtags and take advantage of Loomly's hashtag manager. Hashtag manager can be found in the generic and fine-tuning steps, in other words, step 3 and step 4 of Post Builder. You can open it using the hashtag icon below the copy field. Suggestions will provide hashtag suggestions based on the copy of your post. We also display trending hashtags. And you can create hashtag collections as well. To add a suggested trending hashtag or hashtag collections to the copy of your post, simply click on the corresponding green plus button. Your post will automatically include that hashtag after you close the hashtags manager. Moving forward, this step is where you can fine-tune and customize your post in case you've selected multiple social media channels. As we only selected Twitter, you don't need to customize it, but we'll still be able to preview the post. You can also schedule Twitter threads, which will allow you to provide additional context by connecting multiple tweets together. And when relevant, you can also mention other accounts with an @ tag. Once you publish content for an audience, it's time to interact with them. Our interactions management tool allows you to reply to Twitter comments, mentions, and messages. You can efficiently manage interactions with your team by assigning states, assigning collaborators, filtering interactions by assignee, and creating save replies. You can assign statuses for interactions as read, unread, or closed. This happens at the individual level and also at the group level. You can also assign a collaborator to specific interactions, so questions are always answered by the best suited person of your team. You can also see who replies to interactions. Additionally, you can apply, create, and edit saved replies for interactions to save time when engaging with your fans or followers. Additionally, you can retweet tweets in which you are mentioned. Finally, you can measure, analyze, and prove your success with Loomly Twitter Analytics. Loomly's analytics allow you to measure in real time your post performances once they've been published. You can then identify at a glance which topics and content types your audience is most interested in and loop this information back into your planning process. We provide advanced analytics showing you account, post, and link metrics and comparing performance over time. Advanced analytics can be accessed from the analytics icon on the navigation bar of your calendar. Here's some other information that we offer for our advanced analytics. Loom.ly click counts, sources, and click locations. Going into Twitter, we also offer account level statistics, such as the total number of page likes and followers on Twitter. We also offer Twitter post metrics, which include retweets and likes. We also show analytics for all posts, not just posts published in Loomly. Additionally, we allow you to filter posts for date filtering and period comparisons, and also filter posts for labels as well. You can also export advanced analytics into a PDF or Excel CSV file. Finally, basic analytics can be found in Post View. This is offered on the base plan, or if you've not activated advanced analytics. We'll show base metrics such as likes, so you can see which posts are performing better. That wraps up today's webinar. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to review our FAQ section for more information. If you feel like your question has not been answered on our FAQ, please feel free to reach out and contact our team either through chat or over our email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks.